Hello everybody, it's Teacher Tom. It's very nice to see you again. Today we are looking at English for farm animals. That's right, English for farm animals. Now, before we have a look at today's English, let's sing a song. I think we should sing Old Macdonald. That would be really good fun. So, let's go somewhere to sing Old Macdonald. Ah, wonderful. Now, let's sing Old Macdonald. Yes, let's sing Old Macdonald. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Lovely, that was really nice. Now, let's go and have a look at today's English. In 3, 2, 1. Ah, great. Now, let's have a look at today's English about farm animals. That would be really good. So, let's go to the farm. Ah, beautiful. We're on the farm now. So, let's have a look at the first farm animal on the farm. Let's have a look. Ah, of course. This is a cow. On my farm, I have a cow. Can you say cow? Very, very good. Well done. Lovely. All right, let's have a look at another animal that I have on my farm. In 3, 2, 1. Ah, This is a donkey. That's right, this is a donkey. I have a donkey on my farm. Can you say donkey? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's have a look at another animal on my farm. Ah, wonderful. This is a horse. That's right. I have a horse on my farm. Can you say horse? Very, very good. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at another animal on my farm. In 3, 2, 1. Ah, lovely. This is a goat. That's right. I have a goat on my farm. Can you say goat? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's have a look at another animal on my farm. In 3, 2, 1. Ah, I have a chicken on my farm. This is my chicken. Can you say chicken? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's have a look at one more animal on my farm. In 3, 2, 1. Ah, lovely. This is a sheep. That's right, this is a sheep. I have a sheep on my farm. Can you say sheep? Very, very good. Well done. Okay, let's leave the farm and go back to the classroom. Ah, here we are. Now, today you can get your show and tell student book. That's right, your student book, and we'll have a look at page 79. That's right, we'll have a look at page 79. So let's have a look together. Okay, everybody, this is page 79. On this page, you can point to the picture and say it. Cow, donkey, horse, goat, chicken, and sheep. Then you can get your pen or pencil and you can practice writing the words here. When you've finished with that, you can go to the back of your book here and you can go to Unit 7 and get the stickers and put them in the right place here on the page. Okay, have fun. Lovely. Well, it was very nice to see you again, everybody, and I can't wait to see you again very, very soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.